Hi, this is the first help video for Access Chapter 2, Problem Solve 1, Planner. I am in my IT lab and I'm going to open up the assignment and recognize what we need to download. So I'm going to click on Downloads. There's only 3, so I'm just going to individually download them. So there is a text file, a access file, and the instruction file. With the access file, you're probably going to get the security. We're going to keep it because we know it's from a good site. And then I'm going to go ahead and open up the Word document. So I'm going to enable that file and open it up and just see what they want me to do first. So I have downloaded the files and I have made sure they're okay. So then we're going to open up client. Okay, so we're going to open up the planner. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to open up the file that has your name at the beginning. That's the database file. Get this back. So we have, on my left side, I have the rubric / instructions, and then on the right, I have the database. It only has 2 objects built, table client and table event. So we're going to open up client in design view. So we just double click on that. I don't need the field list, so I'm going to close that up. And it asks me to go to design view. So I did not do that, so I'm going to use the view to switch to design. Create an input mask for phone. So I'm going to click on phone. I'm going to come down here in the field properties, find input mask, click in that box, use the ellipses, find phone, next, placeholder is an underline. If I click on try it, you can see it. It looks good. And we're going to do next, save it with the symbols, next, and finish. So we have completed that. Change the length of state. So I'm on the state field. Down here it's got 15 as the size. I'm going to change that to a 2. Change the zip code to 5. Right? So all I'm doing here is changing the structure of the fields within this table. I am done with that process, so I need to save. Because I am in design view, I need to save it. So I get a message, and this happens when you make a field smaller, right? Or you put a rule in there and it says, hey, you already have stuff in here. You may lose some stuff, and that's okay. We're going to go ahead and say yes. Okay, import the text decorations data stored in the text field into a new table. So the first thing that I always do when I'm importing things is I close up my objects, okay? Then we're going to go to external data. We're importing, so we use the import side from a file that's a text file. I got that from this information, right? So right here, do you see this txt on the end? That tells me it's a text file. So we're going to do new file text. Mine's going to be in my downloads, so I'm going to browse. I'm going to find my downloads folder. And there it comes up because it's a txt file. I'm going to click on it. So now I've found my file, and now I need to make a decision. Am I creating this as a new table, or am I appending data to an existing one? So we need to go back to the directions. And right here it says a new table. So that dictates which of these radio dials I am going to use. So we're going to import it as a new table. So we're going to go ahead and do OK. It is a delimited, and look, you can see here it's got the comma, and it validates it here. It says with commas. So I'm going to do next. Comma shows up, and look how it puts it in columns, right? These are going to turn into my fields. Choose your own primary key of field 1. We don't have field names, so we're going to leave that unchecked. Next. Let's see. Field names. Choose your own primary key of field 1. So that's good. Next. Oh, sorry. Choose my own primary key, which is this field 1. Next. And we're going to call this TBL decoration. No S. Finish. It's going to import it. I'm going to close it. Now I have 3 fields. I'm sorry, 3 tables. If I open up decorations, look at the name. Field 1, Field 2, Field 3, Field 4. That's not good. So we want to go to the Home tab and go to Design View. And what we're going to do is we're going to rename these fields. So this is going to be called Decoration ID. And Field 2 is going to be called Decoration, short text of 20. Field 3 is going to become Color, short text of 10. Field 4 is going to be Category, and it is a short text of 20. So we have this part, oops, we did this. So let's just double check. Number, long, integer, we're good. Add the description for Decoration ID to be a unique identifier for the decoration. No period. Save and close the table. So we're good with that, okay? Let's see. I'm going to do, you know what? I think I'm going to stop the movie here and pick up at step number 7 at the next movie. Thank you.